Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Called upon to express my testimonial on this occasion. Well, I don't really know what you want me to say. Because it's so sad, very, very sad. We have to leave Ambassador Aisha Abimbola.
Sorry.
She's one of us.
Ask me.
They sent with me for Omage campus. And we play a major role together there. She's the kind of person that is humble. She's humble. She respects people a lot. She's an easy